100 people talking to the server giving everyone response. Is it advisable? Which means that my bottleneck is server. If my server gets down, all 100 connections goes down. So we said there should be some way to communicate between people, and then they said, okay, peer-to-peer connection is nothing but peer-to-peer connection. So in this case, what happens, like, I define who are my peers and I talk to them. But how do I know the other person's address? Right? First I should know where are you located. Bangalore, if you say Bangalore is a big city. How do you find? The only thing which actually identifies is your IP address followed by your MAC ID and all those stuff. So there is a server called stun server which actually gives me where exactly you are located. This stun information I actually get it through a WebSocket or through any of other app engine channel, and then I send the data. So there is one actually handshake signal which happens. It happens in any other way. It need not happen through web peer connection. Once that is done, the data can be transferred easily. Peer-to-peer, there is no need for server. You can actually throw off your server. Same thing goes with data channel also. So earlier it used to be server used to talk to client A, B, C. Now there is no role of server. Client A talks to the client B once they get the address. So it also has bandwidth management, which means that I am located in Bangalore, another person is located in San Francisco, there are people in San Francisco, so I send all my data to San Francisco person and then he sends it to the people who are in San Francisco. So you can actually manage that bandwidth. I need not transfer every data from here to all the people who are participating in my call in San Francisco or anywhere else. So I can actually send it to the one person and that person becomes a distributor to all the people. So it's like you can define your topology, how exactly this has to be go. Which means that you are dynamically detecting the location of it and then deciding the topology. How do we do it? We have something called as geolocation, by which we can actually find out where this person is there to some extent, and using that I'll do this. So this is what JavaScript's hand signaling, handshaking which happens. First, signaling happens through some server which is on top, and once that signaling is happened, the media gets transferred browser to browser. This is a caller, this is a callee. This actually session description is nothing but what this person is using, what codec is present, how exactly is the network topology. After that, there is no role of this. The server is as good as not having the server. So earlier the GTalk used to work with plugin. This is the plugin which you find it over here. Now we said there is a browser on which, based on the browser and based on the what platform you are using, it might be Mac, Windows or Linux, and then a plugin you used to download and then it used to work with video chat. Now going forward there will be no need for installing a plugin. Okay, geolocation. So I want to find out where I am. Right now I am in Belgaum, my brother is in Hubli. So okay. So first thing is, how do you locate me? By IP address, then people can fake IP address. By coordination time, these are stuff which some of them I don't understand. Okay, GPS I understand, Wi-Fi MAC address I understand, coordinate triangulation I don't understand, GSM, CDMA, cell phone ID, this also will give you. So except coordination, this one, everything you can actually find and do it yourself. Okay, by this, if you actually type this one, it will say what is your location. It actually says which is the IP you belong to. If you have a modern browser or modern computer, you will have a GPS chip embedded in it, and then it will say what is your location. Or you can attach an external this one and it will say what is your location properly. Using this location, your browser will give you search results. Using this, you can do multiple things. Push advertisement. So I am in a mall. The person will find out that I am in a mall, a search result is happening, he will push the data of that mall. So this is pretty simple. Navigator.get location.get current location. Success and errors are nothing but if I got the location, where exactly, what should I do? If I don't get the location, what I should do. JavaScript threads.